Hey, my dear friends, this is happy day. A day full of love, light, and happiness, prosperity, wisdom, and peace. A day full of love, light, and happiness, prosperity, wisdom, and peace. It's a quite sunny day. Day full of love, light, and happiness, prosperity, wisdom, and peace. Just always expect for good things. Say that you attract good things into your life. Just if you think of good things, your achievements, happy moments, and all that, and relive those moments and chant those wish words like happiness, excitement, success, achievement, love, light, and happiness, prosperity, wisdom, and peace. I'm happy, I'm healthy, I'm energetic, enthusiastic. I'm always attracting good things into my life. And just sing or draw or color or do some art therapy and go for swimming, walking, biking, go for long ride, long drive, and always see to that you are in good vibes. You'll attract more of good vibes into your life, my dear friends. Happy day! Lot of butterflies are visiting our garden as well as small tiny creatures, tiny birds are coming, but it is very difficult for us to catch hold of them.